Hello everyone friends, today I'll show you how to merge two Epic Games or Fortnite accounts. I should tell you right away that this is quite a rare thing. And to be honest, it's specifically about merging Epic Games accounts. Yes, here I'm going to the support site. It says here that it's impossible to connect two Epic Games accounts. Support won't help you, but nevertheless, you can still ask them. If you're very lucky, then let's try writing to them. Click Contact Us and write your problem here. Write your nicknames, accounts, basically ask for support. Maybe they'll help you. This doesn't apply to transferring accounts from PS5 or PlayStation or Xbox to PC. That can be transferred. So, to write a ticket, I'm logging out of my account. Then I click Contact Us and write a ticket here. That's all from me. Bye everyone. I hope they can help you.